Fatty liver? 5 kitchen ingredients that repair your liver. Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably concerned about your liver health. With today's lifestyle, your liver is dealing with more toxins, processed foods, and environmental stress than ever. One condition that's becoming more common is fatty liver disease, and it's turning into a silent epidemic. You might not even realize you have it until it's too late. The good news is you can take control of your liver health naturally. In this video, you'll learn about 5 kitchen ingredients that can help repair your liver and restore its health. These are readily available, affordable foods that can make a world of difference. And stick around till the end, because you'll learn a little-known secret about a fatty liver gene that nobody's talking about. You won't want to miss this. Before understanding the ingredients that can help your liver, let's first understand one common cause of fatty liver disease, the PNPLA3, or the fatty liver gene. You see, when this gene isn't working properly, fat builds up in the liver, causing inflammation and damage. But what does this mean for you? Well, that means an increased risk of liver inflammation and fibrosis, which can lead to more severe liver diseases. So, how would you know if this fatty liver gene isn't working correctly? Some people may feel discomfort or a sense of fullness in the upper right abdomen, where the liver is located. A general feeling of being unwell can also be common, impacting daily activities. Abdominal pain, especially in the right upper quadrant, loss of appetite leading to unintentional weight loss, and nausea are other symptoms that individuals may experience. That's why knowing how this fatty liver gene affects your liver is vital for taking preventive steps. Moving on, let's clear up some common misconceptions about fatty liver disease. First, many people think that only alcohol causes fatty liver. Yes, too much alcohol can cause alcoholic fatty liver disease. But there is also non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, which can occur in individuals who drink little to no alcohol. Poor diet, obesity, and metabolic syndrome can also lead to its development. Another myth is that you can only inherit this fatty liver gene. Yes, genetics play a role. However, lifestyle factors may also influence whether or not someone with this fatty liver gene will develop fatty liver disease. That's why diet, exercise, and overall health habits are crucial in managing the risk. It's also a common misconception that fatty liver disease only affects overweight individuals. While obesity is a significant risk factor, lean individuals can also develop fatty liver. Conditions like diabetes, high cholesterol, and certain medications can contribute to this condition. Lastly, many believe that fatty liver disease is always reversible. You can often manage and even reverse early stages of fatty liver with lifestyle changes like a better diet and more physical activity. However, if it progresses to severe stages like cirrhosis, the damage can become permanent. So, early detection and intervention are key. Now that we've covered that, let's continue exploring the 5 kitchen ingredients that could repair your liver. First up on your list is olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil. It contains monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. Oleic acid helps reduce fat buildup in the liver, a main feature of fatty liver disease. It also helps regulate insulin levels, protecting the liver from damage. Extra virgin olive oil also contains powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, and they work their magic by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage your liver cells. It's like having a protective shield around your liver, helping it function at its best. And the best part? Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet is super easy. Drizzle it over your salads, adding a rich, flavorful touch to your greens while boosting their nutritional value. Use it as a finishing oil for your cooked vegetables, enhancing their taste and providing a healthy dose of nutrients. Or even dip your bread in it. This simple act can turn a plain piece of bread into a delightful and nutritious snack. Just remember, a little goes a long way, and it's best to use it raw or lightly heated to preserve its beneficial compounds. Now let's discuss another delicious way to show your liver some love. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, and anchovies. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. Omega-3 has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for combating inflammation in the liver, a common factor in fatty liver disease. But that's not all. Omega-3 also plays a vital role in regulating fat metabolism in your liver. They do this by helping break down and remove excess fat from your liver, preventing it from accumulating and causing damage. It's like having a cleanup crew working tirelessly to keep your liver free from fatty buildup. All right, let's talk about a kitchen staple that's probably already in your pantry: garlic. It's rich in allicin, formed when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed. The compound gives garlic its strong smell. In addition, allicin is a strong antioxidant that helps protect your liver from damage by harmful molecules called free radicals. These unstable atoms can harm cells and cause illness and aging. By neutralizing them, allicin helps keep your liver cells healthy and working well. Allicin helps your liver manage fat metabolism, making it work more efficiently. This is important because the liver breaks down fats and turns them into energy. When your liver works well, it can process fats better, preventing fat buildup and issues like fatty liver disease. When too much fat builds up, it clogs the liver, making it harder to do its job. This can cause health problems like liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure in severe cases. Garlic, with its allicin, helps clear the liver and keep it working smoothly. By boosting the liver's ability to process fats, garlic helps prevent fat buildup and keeps the liver healthy and efficient. So, next time you're mincing garlic for your pasta sauce or stir fry, remember that you're not just adding flavor. You're giving your liver some serious love. Incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to support your liver health. All right, moving on to number 4 on your list, you've got cruciferous vegetables. You know the crew: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, those green powerhouses you were always told to eat. Why is that important for your liver? Fiber from these veggies helps keep things moving smoothly, preventing toxins from building up and stressing your liver. When your digestive system works efficiently, it reduces the burden on your liver. Plus, fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be a huge win if you're trying to lose weight and reduce liver fat. Cruciferous veggies are also rich in glucosinolates. These powerful compounds are linked to your liver's detoxification process. So, how can you incorporate more of these green heroes into your diet? Add some chopped broccoli to your stir fries, roast up some Brussels sprouts with a little olive oil and garlic, or toss some kale into your smoothies. Add some chopped broccoli to your stir fries, and you've got a quick and easy way to boost your fiber intake. Roast up some Brussels sprouts with a little olive oil and garlic, and you've got a delicious side dish that's packed with nutrients. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness of Brussels sprouts, making them a favorite even among picky eaters. Or toss some kale into your smoothies. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse and blends well with fruits and other vegetables, making it an easy addition to your morning routine. You can also add it to salads, soups, and even bake it into chips for a healthy snack. Coming in at number 5 on our list are berries. They're well known for their high antioxidant content, specifically anthocyanins. Studies show that anthocyanins can help with fat metabolism by reducing triglyceride buildup in the liver. This is especially important for people with the I148M variant of the fatty liver gene, which affects the liver's ability to move triglycerides. Some studies also suggest that eating berries can improve gut health and support liver health. Try to eat a serving of berries most days to get steady antioxidant benefits. A typical serving is about 1 cup of fresh berries. If you have frozen berries, go for half-cup servings. This provides polyphenols and nutrients without too many calories. So there you have it. Your liver will thank you for incorporating these 5 powerful foods into your diet: olive oil, fatty fish, garlic, cruciferous vegetables, and berries. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of food as medicine. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.